Hi, in a previous video we have talked about how to use this command window as a calculator. In this video we are going to talk about some shortcuts about that and also how to reshape the whole Matlab um, functions. Now, as we said before, let's say 8 plus 5, we can use it as a calculator. It calculates that. Let's say I did this. Now, instead of typing that commands again, what we can do is we can press the up arrow in the keyboard, and if you do that, it will bring up all the previous commands that we've used. So in this case, these two or something else. So if I just press enter, it will do that command again and execute that. So this is a neat way to execute previous commands without typing it again. The other thing that we want to talk about is how to reshape the whole interface. Now, let's say I have this command window like this. Now, I need it to be bigger because I can't see it or whatever. So I can come here. You can see the cursor changes. You can click on it and drag it this way or that way and change the size of it. You can change the size of these two. So these are all variable. The other thing is that you can change the orientation to. Let's say I want this workspace. If I click here and drag it, it will show me different places. So if I put it here, it will come back on the bottom of the screen and I can see it. So I can put it anywhere I want, depending on however we would like to reshape it. So the other thing is that in the workspace, the variable store as answer or short form of answer, ans, you can double click on it, and that will bring the variable type and what are the contents of that variables. So that's it for now. See you in the next one.